Genesis 8 verse 1 begins with 4 words that turn the whole flood story. And God remembered Noah. The Hebrew word is Zakar, written Zakar, H2142. Zakar does not mean God suddenly recalled something he had forgotten. Biblical remembering is covenant faithfulness moving into action. The silence of the ark was not abandonment. It was preservation before deliverance became visible. Here are 5 revelations from this word study. First, Zakar means covenant action, not recovered memory. God is never distracted or forgetful. When Scripture says He remembers, His faithful commitment moves toward a decisive response. Second, God's remembering embraces the whole preserved creation. Genesis names Noah, every living thing, and all the cattle in the ark. His covenant care reaches beyond one person to everything entrusted to that vessel. Third, the wind announces restoration and new creation. God sends a wind over the waters. The Hebrew image of ruach echoes the breath moving over the deep in Genesis 1. Chaos begins yielding again to order and life. Fourth, the ark is preservation, not abandonment. A waiting place can feel like a prison when nothing outside appears to change. But Noah's enclosed season was the very means by which God sustained life until the waters could recede. Fifth, restoration may begin with quiet, gradual change. The flood did not disappear in one dramatic instant. The wind worked steadily and the waters began to go down. Faith learns to notice small movements of grace and to keep caring for what God has placed inside the ark. The bottom line is this: when God remembers, covenant faithfulness moves into action. The ark is preservation, the wind is restoration beginning, and waiting is never proof of abandonment. Where are you waiting for God to remember you? Instead of treating divine silence as amnesia, ask what faithful stewardship looks like inside your present ark. Watch for the first quiet winds of change and trust the covenant keeper before the dry ground appears. Discover this every day in the Bible Verses Meaning mobile app. Tap any word for its Hebrew or Greek meaning, then go deeper with biblical insight, key passages, and practical wisdom. Today's song is "The Lease is Real." As it begins, carry this truth with you. You're not waiting for a forgotten detail to cross God's mind. You are waiting within the care of the one whose covenant is already moving toward restoration.
The logs are black, but the floor is humming. I hear the rhythm of the spirit coming. Ash on the hearth, but the heat's still rising. A silent pact for a new horizon. Horizon pact for a new horizon. No white flag, just a change in the weather. I'm tying up the frayed out tether. Visceral pulse, yeah, the pity it glows. A womb deep warmth that the captive knows. Not just a rescue, it's a legal seal. The bond is broken and the lease is real. The bond is broken and the lease is real. Stir up the fire, let it blow back in the flame. Release the record, I'm forgetting the debts and name. It's a visceral kindness, a womb-like decree. The ashes are lifting and the bond is on the sea. Yeah, the bond is on. I'm struck dumb quiet in the noise of the street. A radical silencing, bitter and sweet. Faith ain't a feeling, it's a structural beam. The weight of the house on the edge of the stream. I'm standing under the thing I believe. The title deed signed on a Saturday Eve. Objective reality, substance for ghost. Objective reality, substance for ghost. A sleeperless, guarding the coast. He's watching the word with a wide open eye, while the old chatter falls away to the sky. Stir up the fire, let it blow back in the flame. Release the record, I'm forgetting the debts and name. It's a visceral kindness, a womb-like decree. The ashes are lifting and the bond is on the sea. Yeah, the bond is on the sea. Self-contained, I got the well inside. ought to gaze hard where the currents reside. External conditions, they don't leave a dent when the moment is opportune and the time is well spent. I'm treasuring the promise, hoarding the gold, laying it up for the stories untold.